Meaning of indissoluble.
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 Indissoluble. The term indissoluble refers to something that cannot be dissolved, undone, or broken apart. It suggests a strong and unbreakable bond or connection that is permanent in nature. Indissoluble relationships, for example, are those that are bound by an unyielding commitment and loyalty that cannot be broken or dissolved. In chemistry, indissoluble substances are those that cannot be dissolved in a particular solvent. The concept of indissolubility implies stability, permanence, and resilience, and suggests the existence of a strong and unbreakable bond between two or more things that cannot be destroyed.